This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the ISO is a genuine Xbox 360 image and matches its checksum so you avoid corrupted files. Next, mount the ISO with a lightweight tool or open it with 7-zip. This lets you see the content without burning. Make a dedicated NTFS folder to extract into, because Xbox files can exceed FAT32 limits. Once mounted, inspect the folder structure, identify default, XEX data directories, and DVD or ISO descriptor files before moving to actual extraction. Now you extract the core game files. Copy the data folder and default. XEX exactly as they appear, because Xbox 360 looks for precise paths. Use 7-zip's extract feature or copy from the mounted drive. Keep the directory hierarchy intact so the console or emulator can locate assets. Make sure to preserve timestamps if your tool offers that, since some tools rely on them. Once copied, compare total size and file count to the mounted image to ensure nothing was skipped. To finish, test the extracted files on your target, an emulator or the console via the correct transfer method. If it runs, you're done. If it fails to start, check for missing descriptor files like DVD or ISO or corrupted segments. Missing descriptors often prevent loading. If problems persist, re-extract using a different utility or re-download the ISO and confirm checksum. This resolves most corruption issues. Keep backups of original ISO so you can repeat extraction without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.